Key point. First key point, a question can have variables, answer can have numerical values. Question can have variables, answer can have variables. A question can have numerical values, answer can have variables. A question can have numerical values, answer can also have numerical values. These are the four varieties of questions that will come under algebra. Algebra, if you see, 95% of the questions belong to any of these category. What is the category? Question contains variables, answer numerical values. Question contains variables, answer contains variables. Question contains numerical values, answer contains variables. Question contains numerical values, answer contains numerical values. So the best method to solve this question, to solve any of these questions is, one is a substitution method, and another is a approximation method. Substitution method and another is an approximation method if answer options are given. If answer options are given, you can use any of these two methods, substitution method and approximation method, if answer options are given. If answer options are given, either you can use substitution method or you can use approximation method. Morning we solved few problems, we will carry on with that problems, so that the more and more examples you will solve, the more and more idea you will have on this particular set of problems. Now see here, I hope it is clear. First problem, 1 plus 2 by 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3, and so on up to n terms is S. S is 1 by 1. If I add 2 natural numbers, divide by 2. If I add 3 natural numbers, divide by 3, and so on up to n terms. So let us do S2. S2 means sum of first two terms. First two terms is nothing but 1 plus 2 by 2. This is 1 plus 3 by 2, which is nothing but 5 by 2. Answer wherever, answer option A. If I substitute n equivalent to 2 into 2 plus 3, 5 by 4, which is nothing but 5 by 2. So option A is right. What is this question? Question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Substitute n equivalent to 2. N equivalent to 2 here means sum of first two terms. If I add sum of first two terms, 1 plus 3 by 2, which is 5 by 2, substitute in the answer, whatever the answer that you get, that itself is the answer. If more than one answer is giving you the same answer for n equivalent to 2, substitute n equivalent to 3. Next one, sum of the n terms of the series. Sn is given by 4 by 3 plus 10 by 9 plus 28 by 27 and so on. Don't try to write down it as 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 9. Put n equivalent to 2. If I put n equivalent to 2, yes, sum of two terms is 4 by 3 plus 10 by 9, which is 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, plus 10, which is nothing but 22 by 9. Question is giving you 22 by 9. Answer also should give you 22 by 9. Let us put the first option, n equivalent to 2. 3 square into 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3 square, which is 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 1, 46 divided by 9 2s are 18, 46 by 18. I need 22. So this should be right. 44. 44 means substitute B option. N equivalent to 2. 3 square into 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1 divided by 2 into 3 square. 9 5s are 45, minus 1, 44. 9 2s are 18, which is 22 by 9. 22 by 9, option is B. Option is B. Again, this substitution method will be used if the question contains numerical values and the answer contains variables. Answer contains variables. Any of the problem that you will see question contains variables or answer contains numerical values or any of these combinations. I hope the idea is clear. Second is over. Third one, sum of n terms of the series. These kind of questions if you get, consider yourself lucky, sir. 12 plus 16 plus 24 plus 40 and so on. N equivalent to 2. A sum of two terms. 12 plus 16, which is nothing but 28. Substitute in the answer, you should get 28. Now see here. First one, 2 into 2 square minus 1 plus 8 into 2, 16. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 16 is 22. Here 16 is there. If I get 12, I will get the answer. So I will take option C. 3 into 2 square minus 1. Plus 8 into 2, 16, 12 plus 16, 12 plus 16, answer is nothing but 28. So option is C. Question contains numerical values, answer contains variables. I hope the logic is clear. Question contains numerical values and answer contains variables. These also clear. Next one. Sum of first n terms of the series Sn is 3 by 1 square. 3 by 1 square plus 5 by 1 square plus 2 square and so on. Put n equivalent to 1, just check. So sum of one term is 3 by 1 is 3. Answer, if I put n equivalent to 1, it should be 3. This is 1 by 2, not possible. This is 3 by 2, not possible. This is nothing but 6 into 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, not possible. Option C, 6 into 1 by 1 plus 1, 2, 6 by 2, which is nothing but 3. Option C is the right answer. How easy it is becoming because of the substitution method. Substitution method does not involves anything other than putting the values of n in the question and checking it out with the answer. You can start with n equivalent to 1 or n equivalent to 2. N equivalent to 1 may give you more than one answer option. Luckily, you got one answer option here. Otherwise, start equivalent to n equivalent to 2. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. Next one. Sum of all the products of the first n positive integers taken 2 at a time. Sum of all the product of first n positive integers taken 2 at a time. First one, take n equivalent to 3. So that means it is first 3 positive integers. First 3 positive integers, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3. Taken 2 at a time. Out of 3, if I select 2, 3C2, there will be 3 ways. What is that 3 ways? 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. What is that he is asking? Product of first n positive integers taken 2 at a time. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3. So this will become 2 plus 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 5 plus 6, 11. So taken 2 at a time. So what is the value that I substituted? N equivalent to 3. If I substitute n equivalent to 3, I should get answer 11. First option, 1 by 24 into 3 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 1 and 3 3s are 9 plus 2, which is 11. 24 cancel. Option is A. Very, very easy question. Looks like a very difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. First n positive integers, take n equivalent to 3. So I took 1 comma 2 comma 3. Take n 2 at a time, take n 2 at a time, 3c2 is 3. So if I take 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. Take n 2 at a time. Take n 2 at a time. So take n 2 at a time. It will be 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 2 into 3. So the is 11. First option is satisfying it as 11. I hope the idea is clear. Clear, right idea? Very easy if you know this approach. Next one. 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 square, 7 by 2 cube. Morning we discussed this logic. Now I will explain you 3 logics here. Method 1. Method 1. Sum to infinite series 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 square plus 7 by 2 cube and so on. I will divide this by 2, s by 2, 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2, this is 3 by 2 square, next is 5 by 2 cube and so on. If I subtract it, s minus s by 2 equivalent to 1 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, next is 5 minus 3, 2 by 2 square, 2 by 2 square is 1 by 2. Here it is nothing but 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 by 2 cube is 2 by 2 square and so on. S minus S by 2 is 1. 1 plus entire this series 3 by 2. This is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube and so on. So S by 2 equivalent to A plus A by 1 minus R. This is nothing but S by 2 equivalent to 1 plus 2, 3, S equivalent to 6. This is another method. Divide it and try to use sum of infinite terms in GP. Try to use this one. Sum of infinite terms in GP is given by A by 1 minus R mod R less than 1. So I divided by 2, I just shifted it to 1 unit to the right. 1 by 2. 3 by 2 square, 5 by 2 cube and so on. S minus S by 2 is 1 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2 which is 1. 5 minus 3, 2 by 2 square, 1 by 2. 2 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 square and so on. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square and so on. A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. S by 2 equivalent to 3, S equivalent to 6. This is one method, method number 1. S is sum of infinite terms, it is nothing but 6. Method number 1. Method number 2. Method number 2. A by 1 minus R plus D into R by 1 minus R whole square. This is nothing but A plus 3 into 1 by 2. 5 into 1 by 2 square, 7 into 1 by 2 whole cube and so on. A is 1, D is 2, R is 1 by 2, R is 1 by 2. So if I substitute it, A by 1 minus R plus D into R divided by 1 minus R whole square. This is nothing but 2 plus 4 which is nothing but 6. In case if you are good in formulae, use this method number 2. In case if you want to divide it and move it to one term, use method number 1, method number 3. I am going to use method 1 lot today in the upcoming problems, sir. Method number 3. I hope the idea is clear. Method number 3. Method number 3. Approximation. Approximation. Because the series is a decreasing series, the value is decreasing, series is a diminishing series or a decreasing series, the value of every term is going down. If it is going down, 1 is nothing but 100%, 3 by 2 is nothing but 150%. Right, from here see the series is decreasing. 5 by 4 is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 4 which is nothing but 125%. Next one, 7 by 5 by 4, 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is nothing but 87.5 percentage. The value is decreasing from 3 by 2 onwards. 100 plus 250, 375. So answer is greater than 450 percentage. So answer should be just greater than 4.5, the lowest value that will come, because it cannot become 12. 12 means, right, after 12.5, 87.5, next will become 9 by 16, which is 54.4 percentage. The value is diminishing. So value is just the lowest value, which is greater than 450 percentage. 250, 375 plus 87, which is somewhere about close to 370. Why to get confused? 375 plus 87.5 percentage, greater than 460 percentage. Answer should be just greater than 4.6 out of given values. So the value which is the lowest and just greater than is 6. Method 1, method 2, method 3. You can use any method of your choice. Next one. Please write down this one. This is an examination question, sir. Concept. First write down 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube and so on up to n terms is given by n square into 2n square minus 1. N square into 2n square minus 1. For example, n equivalent to 2. 1 cube plus 3 cube, which is nothing but 28. N equivalent to 2. 2 terms. It is nothing but 2 square into 2 into 2 square minus 1. So it is 4 into 8 minus 1, 7. 4 into 7. It is 28. 28. First write down sum of the cubes of the first n odd terms is given by n square into 2n square minus 1. Sum of the cubes of the n odd terms. Sum of the, very important point, this is something you will not find it in the textbook. Sum of the cubes of the first n odd terms. Sum of the cubes of the first n odd terms is given by n square into 2n square minus 1. N square into 2n square minus 1. Sum of the cubes of the first n odd terms is n square into 2n square minus 1. Right? I hope it is clear. Next key point. Please write down solution. Now before that one, you can write it as 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 7 cube plus 9 cube. Method 1. Method 1. Minus of 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube. 8 cube. Now see here, sir. Listen carefully. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 square into 2 into 5 square minus 1. Minus of 2 cube, if I take common, this is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. 2 cube plus 4 cube. Now see here, 1 cube plus 2 cube and so on up to n terms is given by n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is nothing but 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. 4 terms are there. So 4 into 5 by 2 whole square, which is 10. 10 square is 100. So this is nothing but total value is 100. 64 plus 27, 91, 99, 100. So 25 into 2, 50. 50 minus 1, 49. 25 into 49 minus 8 into 100. This is nothing but 25 into 50 minus 1 minus 800. This is nothing but 1250 minus 25 minus 800. 1250 minus 825. 825, which is 825, 75, if I add 900, 900 to 1250 is 350, 350 plus 75, which is 425. Answer for this question is 425. Time consuming method. Time consuming method. Time consuming method. Method 2, please write down, sir. Method 1. Method 1 is just an understanding of these important terms. Sum of the cubes of the first n odd terms. Sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers, first n odd numbers. I hope the idea is clear. 5 square into 2 into 5 square minus 1 minus 2 cube. 1250 minus 825, 425. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Now see here, if n is an odd number, a1, a2 and so on up to ak, if the series is in arithmetic progression, a1 power k, a2 power k and so on up to an power k is divisible by a1 plus a2 and so on up to an and so on up to an. This is something which I discussed it in the reminders. If n is an odd number, n is 3, 1, 3, 5 are in AP, cube it, 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube. It should be divisible by sum of its bases. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 1 plus 27 plus 125, which is 153. It is divisible by 9. I hope the idea is clear. If n is an odd number and the bases are in arithmetic progression, base to the power odd, base to the power odd is always divisible by the sum of the bases. It is always divisible by a1 plus a2 and so on up to an. Method number 2, we will use this concept. Now see here, we will use this concept. Method number 2. This is nothing but 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 7 cube plus 9 cube minus of 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube. Now if you see here, these 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are divisible by, right, sum of its bases because the power is an odd number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 16, 21, 24, 25. 25 means it is divisible by 5. This number 14, 18, 20. 20 it is divisible by 20. That means it should be divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. Check with the answer option which option is divisible by 5. Which option is divisible by 5. I hope the idea is clear. Now in addition to this, use the concept of digital sum. It will be extremely clear. Digital sum. Let us use the concept of digital sum. These 9, these 9. 6 cube 216 is 9. 1 cube digital sum is 1. 5 cube 125 digital sum is 1. 7 cube 343 digital sum is 1. Minus of 2 cube it is 8. 4 cube it is 64, 1. 8 cube 512 which is nothing but 8. 8 plus 1 minus of 8 plus 1. 1 minus 8 minus 7. Minus 7 means remainder should be 2. Answer when divided by 2, it should give a remainder 2. Answer should give a remainder 2. I hope the idea is clear. 1 plus 3 cube is 27. 27 is out. 9 cube is out. 6 cube is out. 1 plus 5 cube is 125. 8 plus 1. 343 is 1. 8 is 8. 4 cube is 64. 8 cube is 512, 8. 8 plus 1 minus of 8 plus 1, it is out. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Positive remainder should be 2. Answer should be divisible by 5 by looking at the option. If there are more than one answer option divisible by 5, answer digital sum should be 2. Digital sum should be 2. Only use this method 2. If it is failing, then go to method number 1. Method number 2 is the optimal method. Method number 2 is the optimal method. I hope the idea is clear. Method number 2. Next one. Sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 are divisible by 5. R is nothing but a union condition. R is nothing but a union condition. R is nothing but a union condition. That means these is the number of integers which are divisible by 2. These are the number of integers which are divisible by 5. 2 or 5. There is one set which is divisible by both 2 and 5, which is 10. So we have to subtract all this. So this is nothing but sum of the integers divisible by sum of the integers divisible by 2 plus divisible by 5 plus divisible by 5 minus divisible by 2 and 5. That will give you sum of the integers divisible by 2 or 5. Sum of the integers divisible by 2 or 5 is nothing but sum of the integers which are divisible by 2 plus sum of the integers which are divisible by 5 minus sum of the integers which are divisible by 2 and 5. Now please write down this notation. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is exactly what am I using. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Minus why? Because this is coming in this circle, this is coming in this circle. Twice it is getting counted. So one time it should be subtracted. Now see here. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now see here. Solution. Now with this understanding, let us solve the question. Solution. Sum of the integers which are divisible by 2. It is 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, and so on up to 100, which is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 250s are 100. So it is nothing but n by 2 into first term plus last term. This is nothing but 50 by 2 into 102, which is nothing but 50 into 51, 50 into 51, which are divisible by 2, which are divisible by 5, 5, 10, 15, and so on up to 100. These are nothing but 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. So these is nothing but 20 by 2 into 5 plus 100, which is 10 into 100 plus 5, 105, which is nothing but 1050. These is nothing but 2550. 2550. Now sum of the integers which are divisible by 10. 10 ones are 20s are 10 10s are 100. These 10 ones are, these 10 10s are. So 10 by 2 into 110, which is nothing but 550, which is nothing but 550. What will be the answer? Answer is nothing but only divisible by 2 is 2550, only divisible by 5 is 1050 minus 550 it is, minus 550. So it is nothing but 3600 minus 550, which is 3050. 3050. I hope the idea is clear. Divisible by 2 or 5. 2 or 5. Sum of the integers which are divisible by 2. Sum of the integers which are divisible by 5. Subtract the sum of the integers which are divisible by 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I hope the idea is clear. Sum of the integers is n by 2 into first term plus last term. n by 2 into first term plus last term. Idea clear, right? Please write down. What is the concept that I used here? Answer is 3050. And concept that I used here is n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Idea clear? Now, next one. See here, sum of the first n terms of the series. 1 square plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 4 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 6 square. Okay, this is the series. When n is odd, put S3. S3 means first 3 terms. 1 square plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 square. This is nothing but 4 2s are 8, 3 square is 9. 8 9s are 17 plus 1, 18. N value 3. I should get 18. First option. 1 by 4 into 3 into 3 plus 1 4. 4 square is 16. Answer is 12. It cannot be. Second option. 1 by 2 into 3 square is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. Second option is giving you the answer. Second option is giving you the answer. So the question contains numerical values. By this time you should have understood that question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Answer contains variables. Which method to be used? Substitution method should be used. Substitution method needs to be used. If I use the substitution method, I will get the answer very, very quickly. I hope the idea is clear. Next one, sum of the first n terms. This is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8 plus 15 by 16 and so on. Put n equivalent to 1. So this is nothing but 1 by 2. N equivalent to 1. 2 minus 2, 0. B option. 1 minus 2 power minus 1. This is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. Check if any other option is giving you 1 by 2. 1 plus 2 power minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. That is what I said. N equivalent to 1 might give you more than one answer option. Put n equivalent to 2. Put n equivalent to 2. This will become 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. 4. 2 2s are 2 plus 3. 5 by 4. N equivalent to 2 should give you 5 by 4. N equivalent to 2 should give you 5 by 4. B option. 1 minus 2 power minus 2. 1 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 cannot be the answer. So option is C. Option is C. I hope it is clear. That is the reason. Avoid using n equivalent to 1. There could be a choice where you are getting more than one answer option. Where you are getting more than one answer option. N equivalent to 2. If I substitute n equivalent to 2, 2 plus 2 power minus 2 minus 1, which is 1 plus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 5 by 4. Idea clear, right? Start with n equivalent to 2. It might give you answers very fast. Avoid n equivalent to 1. Avoid n equivalent to 1. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. If A, B, C are in AP, write A square, B square. I think it's an easy question. I will give you a concept behind it. Concept behind it. If A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, D is nothing but B minus D. D is nothing but B. D is nothing but B plus D. They are in AP. So A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 3 by 2. So B minus D, B, B plus D. 3B is nothing but 3 by 2. B is nothing but 1 by 2. B is nothing but 1 by 2. B is nothing but 1 by 2. Now what you can do is, now see here, right? Now B is 1 by 2. A square, B square, C square are in geometric progression. A square, B square, C square are in geometric progression. So, B square whole square equivalent to A square into C square. So, B square whole square equivalent to AC whole square. So, B square minus AC equivalent to 0 or B square plus AC equivalent to 0. I hope it is clear. So, B square equivalent to AC. So, this will become 1 by 4 equivalent to A is B minus D into B plus D. B value substitute here. Are you all with me? B square equivalent to minus 80 square function is not possible. So, 1 by 4 equivalent to B square equivalent to B square minus DC. I hope the idea is clear, right? Idea clear? A plus B plus C equivalent to 3 by 2, 3B equivalent to 3 by 2, B is nothing but 1 by 2. So, this is nothing but 1 by 2 minus D into 1 by 2 plus D. From there, you will get the value of A and C. I hope the idea is clear. A, B, C are in AP. B minus D, B plus D, they are in AP. 3B equivalent to 3B by 2. B is nothing but 1 by 2. A square, B square, C square are in GP. If A, B, C are in GP, B square equivalent to A into C. B square whole square equivalent to AC whole square. B square equivalent to AC. B square equivalent to AC. B value substitute. A value is B minus D. C value is B plus D. Substitute and get the value. You don't need to use this method 1. Method 1 is a long method. Method 2. See here, sir. Method 2. Method 2. First thing directly, A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, 2B equivalent to A plus C. Substitute there. A plus B plus C is 3 by 2. A plus C is 2B. 2B plus 2B. 3B equivalent to 3B by 2. B is nothing but 1B by 2. A, B, C. B is nothing but 1 by 2. Now, please try to use the answer option. Suppose if I take 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. What will be the value? This is nothing but 1 by 2 minus of half plus 1 by root 2. This is minus 1 by root 2. Are you with me? So, this is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Is A plus B plus C giving you 3 by 2? No, it is not giving you the option. Check by using answer options. Check by using answer options which one is satisfying this property. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear. A, B, C are in AP. 2B equivalent to A plus C. 2B plus B. 3B equivalent to 3B by 2. B is nothing but 1 by 2. B is 1 by 2. What I will do is, I just took C as the option. 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. The D between B minus A, D is the common difference between B minus A and C minus B should be same. 1 by 2 minus of half plus 1 by root 2, which is minus 1 by root 2. D is minus 1 by root 2. Check it out whether the sum you are getting 3 by 2. If you are not getting it, go to the other answer option. Idea is clear, right? You can use method 1 or you can use method 2. Still you will get the same answer. Still you will get the same answer. Idea is clear, right? I hope it is clear. Let us take D as the option. 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2. Difference is 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. These cancel. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 3 by 2. Check whether it is there in the GP. If they are in GP, then that will be the answer. Substituting by using answer option is the best method. This is an original CAT question, sir. This is an original CAT question. How I solved this question? Anil Nair's approach. How I solved this question? Now see here. 55 is there. This is nothing but 5 into 11. This is nothing but 5 by 9 into 99. This is nothing but 5 by 9 into 10 square minus 1. Am I right? 55 is there. It is 5 by 9 into 10 square minus 1. If 555 is there, it is nothing but 5 by 9 into 10 cube minus 1. 10 cube minus 1. So, if 3 5s are there, 10 cube minus 1. If 65 5s are there, 5 into 10 power 65 minus 1 by 9. 1 is definitely right. 1 is definitely right. Second is eliminated because 1 is telling that it is 10 power 65 minus something. Am I right? 10 power 65 minus 1 by 9. The value is less than 10 power 65. Are you with me? 10 power 65 minus 1 divided by 9. The value will be less than 10 power 65. Second option is, it is 10 power 65 plus something. 10 power 65 plus something. Obviously, only 2. 1 and 2. 2 is right. All 3 is right. If you use geometric progression for this series and geometric progression for this series, it will result in again back to 3. 3 is nothing but will give derivative 1. So, answer is only 1 and 3. Within 5 seconds, you can solve this question if you know the approach. Again, I am saying 55 is 5 into 11. 5 by 9 into 99. 99 is 10 square minus 1. 2 5s are there, it is 10 square minus 1. 3 5s are there, it is 10 cube minus 1. 65 5s are there, 10 power 65 minus 1 by 9. First option is definitely right. First option is definitely right. First option is saying that these less than 10 power 65. 10 power 65 minus 1. From 10 power 65, subtract 1 and divide by 9. So, answer will be less than 10 power 65. But second option is saying it is 10 power 65 plus positive value. So, second option cannot be. 1 and 2 it is out, all 3 is out. If you use sum of n terms in GP for this and this, it will result in 1. So, answer is only 1 and 3. Only 1 and 3. I hope the idea is clear.